নমস্কাৰ ৰিয়াজুল ষ্টাডি চেনেলটোলৈ সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি ষষ্ঠ শ্ৰেণীৰ ইংৰাজী লেচন নম্বৰ 3 ধ্যানচান্দ এই পাঠটোৰ এক্টিভিটিৰ 1 নম্বৰৰ কুৱেশ্যনখিনি আজি আলোচনা কৰিম। এতিয়া বলা ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। 1 নম্বৰৰ এ দিছে যে উইথ হুইচ আদাৰ স্পৰ্ট পাৰ্চনছ ইজ ধ্যানচান্দ কম্পেয়াৰ। এনচাৰ: ধ্যানচান্দ ইজ কম্পেয়াৰ উইথ পেলে এণ্ড মুহাম্মদ আলী। B number দিছে যে who were the leading masters of hockey when Dhyancand started his career. Answer: the Europeans and the Americans were the leading masters of hockey. C number: when did the turning point in Dhyancand's life come? Answer: the turning point of Dhyancand's life came when he joined the British Indian Army at the age of 16. D number দিছে যে how did Dhyan Singh become Dhyancand? Answer: Dhyancand practice sessions coincided with the rising of the moon, and so Dhyan Singh came to be called Dhyancand by his fellow players. E number: where did Dhyancand win the title Hockey Personality of the Century? Answer: in Berlin, Dhyancand won the title Hockey Personality of the Century. F number: what is his birthday celebrated as? Answer: Dhyancand's birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day. G number: who was be given the nicknames the Wizard and the Magician of Hockey? Answer: Dhyancand was given the nicknames the Wizard and the Magician of Hockey for his superb ball control.